Hey guys, it's Sona, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little stretching routine I put together for beginners. Warming up is very important, so we're going to start by doing some arm circles and basic shoulder stretches to warm up your shoulders. Then we're going to do these rotations to warm up our sides and backs. Now I'm doing these leg rotations to warm up my legs. Now to stretch my shoulders, I normally use a rope, but you can use any long cloth or band that you feel is appropriate for this exercise. Next, lie down with your arms behind you and slide down as far as you can. I'm starting this section of the video off with a butterfly stretch since it is simple and stretches your hips enough for the following stretches. Next, I'm stretching my splits with pillows. If you have a pillow beneath you and feel no stretch whatsoever, remove it and just go for the real thing. Now we are going to stretch our back, hips, and lunges. Really focus on pushing down your back hip in this exercise. You should feel a stretch there. Backwards lunges really help stretch your hamstrings and prepare your front leg for oversplits. Now we're starting over splits. It's completely fine if you don't have your splits yet. This exercise will really help you achieve your. I highly recommend keeping your hands off the floor for as long as you can in the 2-minute stretching period to get the full effect of the exercise. Here are some positions that you can put your hands in to avoid putting them on the floor. I'm using oversplits bars from Glam Racks, but it is completely fine if you want to use any other low height you may have at home. Couches and chairs have worked fine for me so far. Now we're going to do some wall stretching. This is a good exercise to start stretching your back with since it relaxes it and stretches it out again. Push off a wall or grab onto something behind you and pull yourself backwards to stretch your back. When doing this exercise, make sure to put more pressure on your arches than you do on your toes. I really like using the K&K Miami arch stretch to stretch my feet, but this step is completely skippable if you did the previous one. After stretching, I like using muscle relaxing cream to calm the soreness, and if you are wondering, this is the one I use. I also like rolling, going into pike position and cat pose to relax my back and legs.
I'd like to stay and taste my first champagne. Yes?
No,